This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Today I'm going to show Tony how to add Bluetooth capability to his older car radio by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget Basic. So please take the Basic out of the packaging, please. The package will consist the Gizmo Guy Gadget and a cigarette charger for power. So connect the USB part of it to the cigarette charger, please. Then connect it to the cigarette socket. Once you plug it in, you'll notice that the Gizmo Guy Gadget, actually the LCD comes on, and you'll notice that there's 87.9. Right now we actually got a glare, so you got to adjust it a little bit because the glare is really strong. Okay, so you'll notice that it's actually set at 87.9. Or you can set it to whatever station that you want to by long press the button. Once you hit long press the button, once you start flashing, you'll be able to use the top two Mickey Mouse buttons. That's where the Mickey Mouse ears are. Use them to adjust up and down to set your settings. So we'll set it 87.9, please. And long press it once you get to 87.9. Once you start flashing, then it's been paired. Now set your car radio to 87.9 as well, please. So hit the dial and set it to 87.9. Once you hear the static, once the two are paired, there will be no more static or hissing noise. Now the Gizmo Guy Gadget has been paired to the car radio. Now all you got to do is set your phone. So pair your phone. Go to the Bluetooth setting. Go to your phone. Go to setting and go to Bluetooth and look for S23. So once you see S23, press the button.
Bluetooth connected.
Then you will hear this announcement, Bluetooth connected, which means now your phone has been paired to the Gizmo Guy Gadget, and Gizmo Guy Gadget just add Bluetooth capability to your older car factory radio. So now you're ready to listen to music, podcast, news, radio, even talk hands-free, as well as adding GPS navigation from your phone right through your older car radio. This is the quickest and easiest way to add Bluetooth capability to your older car radio. Cool. So now you can hear that the music or the podcast coming through your car radio loud and clear without hissing or any static. So this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you how you can add Bluetooth capability to any car, any older car with a factory radio, just simply by by connecting the Gizmo Guy Gadget to your car. This is the quickest and easiest way to add Bluetooth capability to any older car radio. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.